The first line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Jump, hit, and impose. And on the first 8, you hit on the side of the drum while squatting further down. The second 8, you hit in the middle while standing up a little bit. The last 8, you hit on the center while standing up. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Check us on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Mandarin Chinese. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.